Hello, my name is Simona and I will show you how to make double triple crochet stitch, also known as double triple crochet stitch. This is the same stitch, just the different name. Triple or treble is the same. So firstly I will show you how to make the stitch on the foundation chain. If you do not know how to make this chain, foundation chain, you can find in this video. So before making a double triple crochet stitch, you have to know on a foundation chain, you have to know that we are starting on the 6th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th one. So we will start making the stitch right here. Now to start double triple crochet stitch, yarn over the hook 3 times like this. Now put the hook into the 6th stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and now we will pull it through 2 loops at a time. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and the last time yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. You repeated this 4 times in total, and this is our double triple crochet. This is a really tall stitch. Now once again, as we already made the beginning, we will make the next stitch to the next chain. So yarn over 3 times, put the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and once again yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and it looks just like this. It's double triple crochet stitch. Once again, yarn over 3 times. You have 1, 2, 3, almost I could say 4 loops on the hook. Now put the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through. You have on the hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and the last 2 loops left, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. And this is how the double triple crochet stitch looks like. And this is how my finished row of double triple crochet stitches look like. So this is the chain that I missed. I'm also counting this as a stitch. So this is the chain, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double triple crochet, so 9 stitches in total. So I showed you how to make double triple crochet on a foundation chain, and now I will show you how to make double triple crochet on the new row on the project that you already have. Then we will compare also different stitches. So to begin double triple crochet, you have to make a turning chain. For the double triple crochet, you have to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A chain of 5. Now let's turn the work to this side. So as we made a chain of 5, we are not working to these first 2 loops. We will make the stitch only to the next one. So to make the double triple crochet, let's yarn over 3 times. Now we will put the hook through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, once again, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and the last time yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. And the stitch looks like this. Below we have triple crochet stitch, and this is double triple crochet stitch. As we can see, this stitch is longer than the triple crochet stitch. So let's do it together one more time. Yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Put the hook into the next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through, and now we will pull it through 2 loops at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4 times we will pulled it through 2 loops. This is how nice the stitch looks like. However, it has spaces, quite large spaces between the stitches. And one more time, let's do it together. Wrap around 3 times on your hook. Put the hook through the loops, yarn over, pull it through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. And this is your double triple crochet stitch, also known as double triple crochet stitch. Also, I want to show you what are the differences between the stitches, between the how high and tall are they. So this is the single crochet to one side to the other side. This is the double crochet stitch to one side to the other side. This is the half double crochet, one side, other side. This is the triple crochet, one side, other side, and this is the double triple crochet. So this one is the tallest one and the single crochet is the smallest one, and you can see the difference right here. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video tutorial. If you want to see more crochet related videos, please visit my channel, and thank you for watching.